My name is Buggy, and I'm a junior doctor, qualified only about 5 months now in working in Ireland. As your instructor said at the start, I found myself on the wards. One of the main jobs I would have had to do was cannulation, and anyone had any kind of difficulty with the access, I'd be stuck completely by myself. So really, what I thought would have been a really useful skill to help me out in the wards that I would literally use almost every day, because it was something I'd been struggling with starting off. No, very, very minimal, if any. And it would have been just observing other people using it or other people doing procedures maybe as a medical student. But in terms of myself using the ultrasound machine, no experience at all. The experienced people using make it look very easy. It's a bit tricky to start, but during the course we had so much time to actually sit and practice and use the ultrasound machines, use different ultrasound machines, get used to them. So definitely feeling much more competent with it now. I'd say maybe about 50% of that time was me using the ultrasound machine. It wasn't just sitting watching, everyone, the guys who've been using it all the time make it look easy. I made it look difficult, but by the end of it was a lot better, even from the start, holding the thing backwards and upside down, So, I thought that it was a very beneficial course today. Definitely going to give it a try now. I probably will go and practice it on one or two of my friends first before I go straight to a patient. But no, I would definitely feel very confident having a go there between the searching on it was nice to have. I thought it would just be all the models, but no, it was, there was real life actors there as well to actually see the structures, which was a really nice touch. I thought it would just be all kind of the plastic arms that you had, but they were perfect for trying needling. And then, like you said, you had the real life models as well, which was a lovely touch that you could kind of get used to, even just manipulating the hand. It's not just a perfect model sitting on the table. It's a real person with an arm there, that kind of moves and tweaks a bit. So it was real experience, real practice at it. And then obviously there was about 5 instructors there, so it was almost 1 to 2 kind of, So you would have only time playing around with it, getting used to it yourself as well, and then you had instructors guiding you as well. So it was very beneficial. Course today, I'm very focused as well. Like, my attention span is limited enough, so kind of within 2.5 hours I feel much more confident with it. There was no kind of tiredness or me kind of wasting time. Very efficient use of it all, and like the rest of the day in London now as well. So it's it was a very beneficial day for me. Absolutely, my friend recommended it to me, and I can see why. It was incredibly, like I said, efficient there. Everyone's nice and friendly, and then kind of didn't have to. Wasn't rushing anywhere. There was a breakfast here, so we didn't have to get up early to rush for that. And then, like I said, now this is something hopefully I'll use now every day. I'd say I'll use this a couple of times a week, if not now. I can have more than that. So incredibly beneficial. I would recommend it as well.